Let me bend your head. Chief of Staff. Frank, come now. Not from my guy here.
Governors of the South-South region are meeting in Rivers State. Holding at the Government House, Port Harcourt, the meeting has in attendance the governors of Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, and host Rivers State. The governor of Cross River State was absent. The governors came out after 4 hours to brief the media.
The council results: 1. Bearing in mind that most of the BRACE states have established their state security organs, we approve the regional security architecture, which will be launched very soon. 2. Unequivocally supports the decision for states to collect value-added tax and resolve to join the suit before the Supreme Court.
The South-South governors want the National Assembly to review what they say are some unfair aspects of the recently signed Petroleum Industry Bill.
Or that the amendment should include a clear definition of host communities and that the trustees should be appointed by state governments. 4. Council called upon the President and the federal government to uphold the law establishing the Niger Delta Development Commission by appropriately constituting its board. In addition, it expressed the hope that the federal government would make the forensic audit report public and deal justly and fairly with the report with a view to strengthening the capacity of NDDC to meet its obligations to the people of the region.
They also frowned at the failure of the federal government to give consideration to the requests made by the South-South region during the dialogue with a federal government delegation led by the Chief of Staff to the President, Professor Ibrahim Gambari.
Notable among the requests were the relocation of NNPC subsidiaries and IOC headquarters to the Niger Delta and the completion of a number of federal projects in the region, notably roads.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.